Hi, this is Greg with Spates Painting, and I'm refinishing some patio cushions. They are extremely faded and looking bad, but I'm going to put a fabric paint on them. So the fabric paint will soak in and give it a fresh look and save you a ton of money. So if you're considering buying new ones but don't want to spend all that money and just want to freshen them up, consider just doing a refinish on your cushions. I'll show you what we do. We're gonna dust them off. You can see the dust flying off from these old faded cushions. And then I have a special mixture in here that will help absorb into this. And it is a fabric paint, so it does have sealer in it. Um, so it works really well. So I like to do all the edges first. So this will seal and protect it. But most of all, it's basically refreshing the color. I'm going to come around this side so you can see better. As you can see, I'm just fogging out all that bleached out fabric, giving it a nice fresh look. And this product actually doesn't just sit on top, it soaks into the fabric and looks really nice. That's it. Give us a call if you want your cushions done.